$1. This is all you're going to need to get this deal, and you're still going to come out with change. Let me show you how to do it. Welcome back everyone to Double Days Family, where we're all about helping you to save you money, plus vlogs and cooking and everything. But today we are doing a super easy digital couponing deal. You could do this deal multiple times in different stores. So let me show you where you could go to get this deal. It's going to be Dollar General, Publix, and Kroger. So if you have any of those places nearby, or a couple of them to be honest, go get you these deals in different stores. Let me show you how to do it. So this deal is good until the 29th of February. That's right, this dollar is going to go a very long way, and I have the receipts right here to show you proof. But you could go to Dollar General, Publix, and Kroger and get you this deal. So regardless of what you have near you, make sure you clip that digital coupon on their free mobile app. And these Airwick starter kits, as you see, they come with the plug-in as well as the smell good, and they come in all different scents. They all do qualify, as you see. Just each store has like a different smell good. You can scratch them to find out which one you like. You guys know I had done this deal in that live stream that I ended up showing you, that I went late last night, a late night to go show you, but I ended up getting this one that day with that $3 off. They ended up repeating that deal. And look guys, these normally cost about $3 and change, and I went to Dollar General, and actually at first I ended up getting this one at the second time with this receipt, and it didn't want to come off even though I showed the manager and everything, so no worries there. If it has a fluke like mine does, just make sure you show him that you did have the digital coupon and that it did not come off. And he just entered it manually, so it was not a big deal. And as you see there, I only paid 35 cents plus tax for this item. So that's right, that's what I'm saying. You're going to take this $1 and come out with change. So feel free to do this deal at another store like Kroger and Publix as well. So at Kroger, Publix, you're also going to clip that digital coupon regardless of which store you have. They should have it in the mobile app until the 29th it expires. So regardless of whether you have a Publix or a Kroger near you, the price should be very relative. And actually, I find Publix to be more expensive than Kroger. So here is the receipt for Publix. It ended up costing $3.59 at Publix, more expensive than Dollar General. But there is that $3 off digital coupon. So just make sure you clip that digital coupon to your free Publix or Dollar General or Kroger mobile app. And you're just going to enter your phone number at the register to guarantee that discount. So as you see there, the discount did come off. It totaled out to a total of 59 cents. And then of course you pay, well, I paid Florida state tax. Everyone's tax is different, but I still came out paying with this dollar and still ended up coming back with change. And honestly, this dollar will go a long way. You could use it for multiple purchases, maybe just put a couple of change difference. And again, you could get the same exact deal at Kroger. Check your mobile apps. They're totally free for you to clip on there and just enter your phone number at the registers. And as you guys see, I keep these things all over my house. They're always plugged in somewhere. And actually, I have to replace that one. I have a Glade one in there, but look how many other ones I have. Guys, you already know from that 3-month stockpile that I created in only 3 months using digital coupons, I showed you some of the actual plug-in scents that I actually have. So I definitely stock up on these bad boys. I always have the house smell like something. Oh, and of course I really like these. I showed you guys these too in a video and showed you a review and how to use these and whether they're worth the money or not. So check out that video as well. I even have like the Febreze ones that I haven't even used the Febreze ones because I'm so in love with the Airwick. Airwick ones are definitely my favorite, and the Snuggle ones are really good too. So if you want to check out any of those videos, go ahead, feel free. And I highly recommend that you join the family and follow us here on Double Days Family so you can learn how to digital coupon, or even if you know how to digital coupon, it's super easy, super fast, and I try to find you any deals possible. I know you guys all live very busy lives. You have to pick up kids, go to work, stay home, cook, whatever it is that you're doing. I know your day is occupied. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 girls. So I have more time on my hands, I would assume, than most of you guys. I know you're hardworking and you might not just have a lot of time on your hands, and I'd love to show you the deals. So make sure you like this video if you like it. Subscribe down below so I can find you the deals and show them to you. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I do upload bonus deals, like I do live streams sometimes. And yeah guys, I hope you have an awesome day. Check out some of our other videos. We upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos. And yeah guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye guys. Get these deals. Bye.